The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
Put the money off a stage, you know. You know, I'm going to run them money and jump on man past stage. You know, I'm going to run them stage show them. What I'll find, you know, I'm going to run them stage show them.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, it seems as if Stylo G saw the person before the person reached on stage, you know. Stylo G saw when the person reached on stage, you see me? Yeah, Stylo G goes up. Huh? Not there. Off stage. Alright, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. I just presented to you pieces of videos that shows what happened when Stylo G was performing on stage somewhere within the continent of Africa. You see me? You know, and according to some of the things that I saw and heard in the pieces of videos, I kind of understand what Stylo G was trying to avoid. You see me? Yeah, because some time ago I saw a video that shows when a person did something that is somewhat awkward or really awkward to a Jamaican entertainer who goes by the name of Christopher Martin. So, you know, I kind of understand what can happen. You see me? Yeah, so big up to Stylo G, you see me? Yeah, and big up to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? Alright, so I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what to think about those two pieces of videos that I will put together and put out there on social media, alright? Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show what happened when persons went swimming, you see me? This video shows how a person almost drowned. You see me, viewers and subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to where or when this video has been recorded. But however, there are a few things that I want to point out about this video. You understand? And I'm going to present the video to you right about now so that you can take a look at it for yourself. Alright? But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
So long as you man to go on yourself. Rascal, this is a more than drama supposed to work. Drama is the blood clot. Man, check out my video, man. Man, check out my John, man. Blood clot. No, can't swim. Can't swim.
And a real viewers and subscribers, the way how the person approached the water and jump off into the water, I thought that the person was a professional swimmer or know how to swim certain ways. You see me, I say, but looking at the video and see how the person start moving at the water, me I say, but wait, this person look like this person a drown. You understand? You see me? Me I say, but this is a sign. So why you jump into the water if you have knowledge so you can't swim? That me I say to myself, you know. Alright, but you know the thing when me I talk about too again too, you know, is that the person who went and helped the person who was drowning, me respect what the person had done, but when it comes down to helping someone who is drowning or who is in difficulty when they must swim, you have to be careful because the person who in difficulty in the water can cause you to drown as well too, you know, because that person in my point of view might be panicked. You understand? In my point of view, that person might be panicked or panic. You understand? So you have to be careful. You see me? Some persons on social media found what happened in this video to be funny. You see me? I say, in my point of view, I think it is because no one got hurt. However, you know, some of the things that I saw and heard in this video, I don't think it is funny at all. You see me? But I just saw it go. You understand? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Alright? And as for the person who jump off into the water, man, know what you do next time, brother. You see? Be careful. Alright. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show an elderly person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he wants a female. According to context, it seems as if he's looking for a female to build a relationship with. You see what I said? I'm not going to say anything else. I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear for yourself some of the things that he said. You see what I said? Yeah, this video is being talked about on social media. And you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. You see? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe.
Am I anybody TikTok crush? If so, please let me know. Because life is such a beautiful thing. Yes, I'm 65 years old. Yes, I'm looking for a nice, beautiful young lady that don't play games, that want something out of life. I want a companion who I can share the rest of my life with. But only God is going to make that happen. But I'm hoping I'm somebody, crush. If I am, please let me know. Because I will reply back to let you know that you are my TikTok crush. It all depends on you.
Big him up. Big him up, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah. Big him up. You understand? Yeah, so me see. He make him intention very clear. You understand? Yeah. Everybody needs someone to love. And so me see it. Alright? So big him up. Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see? This video is going to show a person who goes by the name of expert on social media. Now, according to some things that have been said on social media and according to some things that have been said in the video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that expert's father had died. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that expert has said. Yeah, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that expert said. Alright? Alright, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Stop now. People, me care daddy go past this morning. And when me go here, me care go bathroom and come back. Me not hear nothing from daddy. So if you want to help me towards daddy funeral day, just tell me please and thanks. And me alone, my father have me up and down. Thanks to my friend them, and thanks to all of my friend them, they still help me towards daddy. Action squad and the whole of them. Barton, Miss Wita and the whole team, pick up on the stuff. Say man, this dedicated to come from X-Ford, as in his son, Mr. Spencer's son. Daddy, so rest in peace, daddy. God but not forgotten.
Everybody, this action squad baby mother. I feel it on my heart. Right now I don't even know what to say. But please, whatever you guys can do, just help him. Please, me I beg you. Please. Just I understand how you feel expert. I know what it is like to lose a loved one, but just hold the faith.
You
hear me? Me know, just hold the faith.
That is going with no mother. From your 5-year-old, daddy go everywhere in a carton box. And me and him, no matter hard working, if I chop people, your daddy can't be a sun out in a box. Anyway, that's daddy can't go. Bright sun or rain or shine. See how rain all a fall and out, God. Me know you know want come with daddy yet, but
taking more time playing.
You know what time is it? Although daddy saying you want go before time, but you know all best God. Without you, can't make it in your life. People just pray for me. Peace and thanks. You needed prayer. From me alone, Father.
Viewers and subscribers, and a real certain things like this, you know, I really and truly don't know what to say. You see, because losing a loved one can't be easy. Can't easy, you know, just can't easy. No matter how persons might look at it, in my point of view, I don't think it is something that can be easy. You see me? So, condolences to expert and friends, you see me, and his loved ones, you understand me, in a time like this. See me, I say, you know. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, your viewers and subscribers. You see me? Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. Alright? And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in Dancehall skilla, you know? I want to big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, skilla! You are watching Dancehall skilla.